how do you digest the safety of natural gas in comparison to something like hydro?
I love that question. Okay. I actually think natural gas is really safe because even though, yes, you can see power lines, and Fortis does have electricity as well, right?
Course,
so you can visually see the power lines. Electricity, the power line is not the hazard, it's the electricity. Right. And electricity is invisible. You can't see that. Correct. So electricity actually scares me way more than gas does because you can't give it a smell. You can't see it. You don't know where it's flowing or charging. You don't know where you're going to go before you get electrocuted. It terrifies me, right?
Wow.
Natural gas is invisible, but we can put a lot of safety mechanisms in place so that it's identifiable. So that mercaptan, that smell, you can smell natural gas. You can hear it because of the pressure that it flows through the pipe. So if you puncture the pipe, you're going to hear like a tire is 30, 35 PSI. Our distribution lines can be like 60 to 80. You will hear that sound, right? So at least you can identify there is some kind of risk present. Also, the flammable limits of natural gas is very small. So if you have a space and in that space you have oxygen, in order for natural gas to ignite, there needs to be 5 to 15% of that space is gas. So if it's less than 5 to 15%, it won't ignite. And if it's too rich, so like if the space is filled with gas, it won't ignite. So it's a very, very small window where gas has to exist in a space for it to be like flammable.